Downloading your account data from Kraken is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and download your information. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Reports section. Once logged in, locate the Reports tab in the main menu. This section contains various options for generating and downloading account data. Step 3. Select the type of data. In the Reports section, choose the type of data you wish to download, such as trading history, deposits, or withdrawals. Click on the relevant option to proceed. Step 4. Set the date range. After selecting the data type, specify the date range for the information you want to download. This allows you to customize the data according to your needs. Step 5. Download the data. Once you have set the date range, click the Generate Report button. After the report is generated, you will see an option to download it in your preferred format such as CSV or PDF. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from Kraken. Make sure to keep your data secure and review it regularly for your records.